Roll up.
It's getting warmer outside. Let's roll up our sleeves. Jenny rolled up the rug to clean the floor underneath it.
Tear up.
She tore up the paper into small pieces. Sarah couldn't help but tear up when she watched the emotional movie scene. Tie on. I need to tie my shoelaces before I go for a run. After slipping on her running shoes, Sarah bent down to tie her shoelaces tightly. Get on. Please get on the bus before it leaves. Sarah hurried to get on the train just before the doors closed. Get off. We need to get off at the next stop. After a long day at work, John was relieved to get off the subway and head home. Put on. Remember to put on your jacket before you go outside. Lisa decided to put on her favorite dress for the special occasion. Take off. It's hot in here. Let's take off our sweaters. After landing, the passengers were instructed to take off their seatbelts and exit the plane. Come up. The handle of the door came off when I pulled it. The sticker on the laptop started to come off, revealing the silver surface underneath. Get in. Hurry up and get in the taxi. We're running late. The children were excited to get in the swimming pool and cool off. Zip up. John zip up his jacket before he is going outside. After putting on his winter jacket, Tom zipped it up to keep warm.
Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.